So you're thinking about diving into trading with Olymp Trade, huh? It's been getting some buzz lately, but is it really legit? Let's dig into what this platform offers and see if it's worth your time and money. Olymp Trade is essentially a trading platform that allows users to engage in various financial markets, including forex, stocks, and commodities. The interface is quite user-friendly, which is a good start, especially for beginners. You've got a demo account option, which lets you practice without risking real money. That's pretty handy if you're just starting out or want to try out new strategies. However, while the platform is visually appealing, there are some aspects that feel a bit unclear. For example, the educational resources could use some expansion. It's great that they offer tutorials and webinars, but more in-depth content would really help users understand the complexities of trading better. The intended audience seems to be those looking to dip their toes into trading, but advanced traders might find it lacking in advanced analytics tools. Overall, it's a mixed bag when it comes to functionality and educational support. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, the user-friendly interface and the availability of a demo account are definitely highlights. It makes the platform approachable for new traders. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The lack of comprehensive educational resources can leave users feeling a bit lost, especially if they run into challenges. Trust is another concern. While Olymp Trade is regulated in some jurisdictions, there have been reports of users experiencing issues with withdrawals, which could raise red flags for potential traders. If you're someone who values transparency and robust support, you might want to think twice. In summary, it's a decent platform for beginners, but those with more experience might find it lacking. So, should you give Olymp Trade a shot? If you're just starting out and want a simple way to learn trading basics, it could be worth exploring. But if you're looking for advanced features and strong support, you might want to consider other options. Overall, approach with caution and do your research first.